Hey everyone. So in this video we are going to see streaming. Till now we have seen a lot of videos on Agentic AI series. So if you are interested in Agentic AI series, just follow us and access the playlist. So let's see what actually streaming is. We begin, let me introduce to a platform that I have created, a web app which is called Fun, a collection of free fun tech games that completely free to play on mobile, tablet or desktop. Give it a try and stay tuned. I will be adding many more games in future, and definitely you can see it in also demo. It's pretty fun and pretty good to play, and while playing you can learn a lot of different concepts, be it Python, agentic fundamentals, and a lot of different things I'm going to add. Even for Kafka and all, I'm going to add this game so that it can be really helpful for you. Please give it a try, and now let's jump directly into the video. And why it is really important. So you might have felt when you ask ChatGPT something long, why does it start typing almost immediately? Why doesn't it wait until the entire answer is finished? Okay, because we have already seen next token prediction. So whenever you give a prompt, LLM predicts first token and send token immediately, and then it predicts the second token, send immediately, and repeat. So this is called as streaming. Instead just compiling everything at once. So let's suppose it takes 10 seconds to generate hello world maybe, and you have to wait until entire response is there. This is one of the way, but it doesn't seem well when you have very long response, because it can take minutes of for creation. Okay, so that's why whenever you are getting the first token, it prints it, second token prints it. That's why it gives a feeling of like an animation one, and it is talking to you, it is generating something in a streaming way. So it will keep on generating like hello how kind of thing. Okay, because we know that LLM just predicts one token at a time, and once it is predicting, it is printing. Okay, kind of. Okay, so what's the difference between non-streaming and streaming one? In non-streaming, definitely you have to wait for the complete response to be there, but in streaming you can receive the tokens immediately. Okay, longer perceived time, wait time is there in non-streaming. In streaming, start responding almost instantly, which gives a good feeling to the user. Simple non-streaming is simple implementation, but streaming is a bit not complex. It already being provided, but it's give a better user experience. So non-streaming is good for backend jobs where you can wait. You don't have to worry about user will leave your platform. It is if it is taking 30-40 seconds, but streaming is good for chat applications like ChatGPT and all. Okay, now where should you use, like for if you where can you use the streaming? For like chatbots, AI assistant, coding copilots, when you have long explanations, customer support, definitely you can go for user streaming, because your user experience matters a lot. When you can use non-streaming, like JSON extraction, background processing, batch jobs, report generation, when you need this complete response before doing anything else. Whenever, let's suppose you have multiple agents and you need the complete JSON schema from agent 1 to agent 2, such that based on that schema or based on that JSON response, agent 2 can make some decisions. So there you can use non-streaming. Okay, again, this was again a very short video, but it's really important building block for learning something new, such that you can build some scalable systems and you can build some reliable human usable systems. Okay, so that's all for streaming. In the next video, definitely we are going to see context window. So that's all. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.